A very good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Today I'd like to reset the service on a Mercedes W205 built in 2018 together with you. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's go.
Quick heads up before the video starts. Don't be surprised about the quality differences between the videos we upload. Sometimes one will be good quality, other times it'll be poorer. One that's poor quality because we're uploading new and old car tutorial videos at the same time, but we've improved and recut the older ones, since a lot of the footage needed fixing and we wanted to bring them up to our current standards. What was unnecessary was cut out. And they're now being uploaded one after another. So, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'd say let's get back to the video.
How do we reset the service here? It's very important to make sure that all doors are closed, trunk, hood, everything is shut. Then we proceed as follows. Turn the ignition to stage 1. And then press the home button right here. So that trip is highlighted for you. Sometimes you're just in some other position, which means you press the home button, then you're here, then go to trip. Press trip. Okay. Then you have the mileage. Then you press the phone button and the OK button, or rather the phone button first and then the OK button. Then you're inside the menu. Important. Doors, trunk, tailgate, trunk, hood, everything must be closed. Then we're here on vehicle data. We need to press Assist Plus, then OK. So, switch on the ignition. So, then we can go to full service here. We can take a look at the service data. So we see here, we're 15 days overdue now, but could have still driven 15,000 kilometers. Let's go back for a moment, then we will go to full service here, confirm the service, and exactly which specific type of oil we used. Yes. No reset possible, confirm, completed, okay, then we can check if it's gone. The next service would now be in 365 days and 25,000 kilometers. That is actually pretty much all of it. We can now repeat the whole thing once more, just to show you. Now I can't get up here to travel like this. So, let's go over it once more now. Ignition on. First stage, not the second stage. First stage, press the home button so that travel is selected. Press OK. Then press the phone button first and then the OK button. And then we enter into this menu here. Go down to the Assist Plus. We need to turn the ignition on now. And then we are right here on service data. And can then select everything we want to reset. That is the whole secret behind it all. I hope you could take something away from this, and also see it. Yeah, guys, and that is just how very easily you can reset the service. If you liked this short video, helped out, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription. See you next time. Bye.